We're going to build a new database and we're going to import data from another Access database. We click on blank database. We'll tell it where we want it to be saved and the name. So we'll call this sample database. Click OK and create. Now, as you know, when you create a new database in Access, it will always give you a blank table. We don't need that because we're going to import multiple tables from another Access database. You can import from not only Access but Oracle, SAP, SAS, DBase. You can also import from Excel or bring in a text delimited file. To import any data, go to the External Data ribbon, and over on the left you'll have the New Data Source, and you'll have these various options. Do you want to import from a file or from a database? We're going to choose Access. It's asking where is the information. We can browse for that, and we can locate where this data is, and we want it from this database called Sample Northwind. Click open. We then get two options. This data you want to import, do you want to import the tables, forms, macros, reports into the current database? In other words, do a copy of them, or do you want to just link to them? In other words, if you don't want multiple copies of the same tables, then you may want to link to the source. We'll leave it on import, so we create a copy of the tables. Click OK. It now displays this box which shows us all the tables inside that other Access database. Now I want to bring all of these in, so I'm going to select all and then click OK. It will then import all those tables into my current database. This final box you see is asking, do you want to save what you've just done? In other words, if I had to do this importing every single day, then I could tick this box. That will save me going through this whole performance every single day. I'm not going to tick it on this occasion, so click close. Here are my various tables here, and we can double click to see the records that we've got in any of these tables.